Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC coin. Now, remember Terra Classic last year maintained #1 trading coins on CoinMarketCap, and that period Terra Classic benefited more from this because we also saw how money was pumped into Terra Classic and the price also was rising. Right now, since the past 5 days, 6 days now, Terra Classic has been doing well. People have been investing. In fact, over $1.2 billion have been invested on Terra Classic within 7 days. Now, another important thing we need to understand is that has also pushed Terra Classic to be among the top 3 trading crypto coins on CoinMarketCap. Right now, as I'm talking to you, Luna is #1 trading coin on CoinMarketCap. You know what that means? Yes, over 8 million to 10 million visitors that visit CoinMarketCap. I don't want to mention CoinGecko, but let's talk about CoinMarketCap, which Terra Classic is #1 trading. Now, these people visiting this, most times you will see on the website the trading coins and you see #1 Terra Classic. It helps because there are some new people who actually want to know about cryptocurrency. What people do is that they want to know the coins they want to raise. People want to see the coin that is trading. So they want to trade such coin, something that is trending right now. Definitely you want to invest on such coin, or you want to know more about the coin. That is a benefit. Now imagine Terra Classic now being ranked #1 trading coin on CoinMarketCap, and a lot of people has been researching about this. And according to Google, this week alone, there has been more search on Terra Classic coin than every other coin apart from Bitcoin. Okay, apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are the more search on Terra Classic. People are searching about Terra Classic LUNC. That's all the reason you see the coin. People are also searching about this coin on CoinMarketCap. That was the reason why it is now ranked #1 crypto coins on CoinMarketCap. And I believe with this, there's a possibility that the coin is still going to rise more. Yes. Some people have already earned 150 to 200% of their money. Those who just invested on Terra Classic recently. So I hope this coin is definitely going to delete more zeros very soon. If Terra Classic reaches 1 cent this year, or let me say, I know it's difficult because you just have few weeks to go. Now, next year, 2024, before the end of this year, imagine Terra Classic trading at 1 cent. Now, definitely a lot of people will be millionaire. People will make a lot of profits from Terra Classic, including myself. Now, let's keep hoping for the best and let's keep supporting Terra Classic burning. Let's keep supporting Terra Classic by spreading, by sharing videos about Terra Classic, to motivate other people. But I believe that this year, before the end of this year, something good will keep on happening, and next year is going to be one of the best years for Bitcoin. Like I said, if BTC crosses $40,000, which it has finally hit $41,000, that's a possibility for Bitcoin hitting back at $65,000 to $70,000. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.